In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Enter this PopBabies Portable Blender, a game-changer for anyone who wants fresh, nutritious smoothies without the hassle of bulky appliances. With its compact design and powerful performance, this portable blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your busy life. Here's a deep dive into what makes this blender a must-have for smoothie enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. One of the standout features of the PopBabies Portable Blender is its sleek, compact design. Measuring just the right size to fit in your hand, this blender is perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're heading to the office, going on a weekend trip, or simply need a quick breakfast solution, the PopBabies Blender is ready to deliver. Its 14-ounce jar is not only portable but also doubles as a drinking cup, which means you can blend and sip from the same container. Ideal for those hectic mornings when every second. Despite its small size, PopBabies Portable Blender packs a punch with its powerful motor. It effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and seeds, ensuring that your smoothies are perfectly blended every time. With its rechargeable USB feature, this blender is incredibly versatile. You can blend while charging, which means you don't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of your blending session. The blender's strong motor and durable blades make it a reliable choice for various blending tasks. From protein shakes, baby food. One of the biggest advantages of the PopBabies blender is its user-friendly design. Blender is operated with a single button, making it incredibly easy to use. Simply add your ingredients, press the button, and watch as it transforms your components into a delicious smoothie. Cleaning up is a breeze as well. The blender's jar is dishwasher safe, and the high-grade materials used ensure that there's no residual taste or smell from previous uses. Just a quick rinse or run through the dishwasher, and it's ready for your next smoothie. Safety is a crucial aspect of any kitchen appliance, and the PopBabies Portable Blender doesn't disappoint. Blender features a magnetic touch switch, which minimizes the risk of accidental activation. This thoughtful design upgrade enhances user safety and prevents spills or mishap. Additionally, the blender is made from food-grade materials and is free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for all your blending needs. Versatility is another area where this blender shines. It's perfect for making a variety of beverages and foods. From protein shakes and smoothies to baby food and sauces, the PopBabies blender handles it all with ease. The blender's powerful motor ensures smooth blending, even for tougher ingredients like frozen fruits and seeds. The PopBabies Portable Blender stands out with several unique features. Blending while charging. This innovative feature allows you to blend and charge simultaneously, making it perfect for those busy days when you're on the go. Travel-friendly. Its compact size and USB charging capability make it ideal for international travel. You won't have to worry about plug issues or bulky appliances. Recipe booklet. Included with the blender is a booklet featuring 50 different smoothie and weight loss recipes. This resource is fantastic for those who love experimenting with new flavors and healthy ingredients. While the PopBabies Portable Blender is an excellent tool for many tasks, it's important to consider its limitations. The blender is not suitable for very hot beverages or large ice cubes, which could lead to leakage or damage. It's best used for chilled or room temperature ingredients. Additionally, the blender's capacity is limited to 14 ounces, so it might not be ideal for larger families or batch cooking. Conclusion. Overall, the PopBabies Portable Blender is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that makes blending on the go a breeze. Its compact design, powerful performance, and safety features make it a valuable addition to any busy lifestyle. Whether you're preparing a quick smoothie before work or blending a protein shake at the gym, this portable blender offers convenience and quality in one neat package. Pros: compact and portable design, powerful motor and durable blades, rechargeable USB feature, easy to clean and dishwasher safe, magnetic touch switch for safety, includes a recipe booklet. Cons: not suitable for very hot beverages, limited to 14-ounce capacity. For a reliable, convenient blending solution, fits perfectly into your on-the-go lifestyle, PopBabies Portable Blender is a top choice. Its blend-and-go functionality, Powerful performance and thoughtful design features make it a standout product in the world of portable blenders. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.